Hi everyone, let me show you the easiest ways you can store your vegetables for long without them going bad. If you are new to this channel, I am Hirat and you are welcome. So I washed everything, but you can decide not to wash them, okay? So I am going to use the paper towel to wrap the green bell pepper very well, and then I will set it aside and continue with the others till I'm done. So after I'm done, I will transfer everything to my Ziploc bag and then set it aside. And if you have an airtight container, you can transfer it into that as well. So I will zip it very well and set it aside. For tomatoes, I will transfer it into my airtight container and then cover it very well and then set it aside. But you can as well use a Ziploc bag to store the tomatoes. And here you can sprinkle a little bit of water, or you can decide not to do it at all. And this will last in your fridge for at least 2 weeks. And if you want it to last longer, then put it in your freezer. To my cabbage, I am going to use a cling film to wrap it, and most of the supermarkets do this and it lasts for a while. So after wrapping it, this is what we have, all fresh and beautiful. So I will set it aside and then continue. To my peppers, I will transfer it into a Ziploc bag and then zip it. Or you can as well store it in an airtight container and you are good to go. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And make sure to like this video for me. Thank you so much for doing that for your girl. To my carrots, I am using two methods here. One is to add water to your carrots in a bowl. Make sure for it to cover the carrots, okay? Cover it and keep it in the fridge. And this will last for a week up to 2 weeks. Or you can use a paper towel and then wrap it. After doing that, I will use a cling film to wrap it once again, or you can just put it in your Ziploc bag. And for my spring onions, I didn't show it because I lost the clip. So I used a cling film to wrap it, and most of the supermarkets do this, and this can last for a while. Everything is set now, and I am going to put them in the fridge, and these can last for up to 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video for me, okay? And follow me on all social media platforms at Hirat's Kitchen. See you in the next one. Bye.